Hey, you made it, mate. Come in, sit down.
Oh no! My sunnies!
Oh, mate, that's an expensive seat.
What was that?
Oh, that's just a kookaburra, a bird. They're carnivores. He must have smelled the barbecue.
It's laughing at me.
Make yourself at home. Seriously, mate, anything you need.
Nacho, no, that doesn't mean take over the whole house.
I am adapting quickly.
He's settling in better than most people.
Grab a drink, help yourselves to everything, and welcome to the Barbie, everyone.
Thanks, it looks amazing. And thanks for the invite, by the way.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers!
Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
So where are you guys from?
I'm from England
I'm French.
and we live in Paris.
Oh, nice. How long are you in Australia for?
Just for a couple of weeks. We've only just arrived.
Perfect timing. Barbecue and beach weather all week.
So, what's life like in Paris?
Busy, stressful, and the weather isn't as good as here. Are you guys all Australian?
I'm from Melbourne, but my parents came over from Singapore, and Priya's Indian.
An international barbecue. I approve.
Help yourself to some sangers. We've got loads.
Sangers? Oh, you mean sausages. I just love Australian slang.
I am helping efficiently.
Mate, leave some for the rest of us.
Nacho, help yourself means take a small amount, not everything.
We've got beef, chicken, even kangaroo and emu if you want to try something different.
Kangaroo? You eat furry animals?
Yeah, it's actually quite common here. But don't worry, Nacho. We don't eat cats.
I'll stick to vegetables, please, thanks. I'm vegetarian.
Me too. No worries, Sarah. We've got grilled veggies as well.
That's great. More meat for us then.
Can you pass me a can of beer? Oh, you call them tinnies, right?
Yes, we do. Of course. Here you go. Do you want ketchup, Nacho? Whoa, that's enough, mate.
I commit to flavour.
Nacho, honestly, I can't take you anywhere, can I?
Hang on! Something smells! Oh no! The sangers!
They're burning!
Never mind, what's for dessert?
I hope you enjoyed that. Would you understand help yourself in this situation? And do you have a naughty cat at home?
Pack your dreams and grab your mug, you know why. Sarah's teaching words,